Fox 13 has learned a man who was in line to get tested for COVID-19 in North Ogden yesterday passed away before he could even get that test.
Fox 13's Adam Herbetz joins us with what's led up to this story. It is a story you will only see here.
Well, we don't know how long this man was waiting to get tested. According to Intermountain, he was in a medical van with a caregiver as he waited. And now one member of the Board of Trustees is asking people to please not jump to conclusions. People stuck in their cars at this testing site in North Ogden are frustrated, waiting. Some of them overflowing onto the street, wanting to know if they have COVID-19.
The waits can be up to several hours long.
On Sunday, they were met with a different kind of delay. Paramedics trying to save the life of a 71-year-old man who was unresponsive by the time he got to the tent for his test. It's too early to say if he died from the coronavirus.
We don't diagnose in the field, so our job is to just treat the symptoms that we see and the signs that we see.
Do you think there's enough staff to handle all these patients?
In any given day, you don't know how many patients are going to show up to be tested. It's not a rescheduling situation.
Neil Berube, the mayor of North Ogden, is also a member of the Board of Trustees for Intermountain. He said he did not want to speak on behalf of the hospital, but he calls the case alarming.
My understanding is that he was a resident of a care facility and was seeking testing for a procedure that he needed to have done before he could enter the hospital or outpatient to have the procedure performed. I would say that would be very unfortunate to try to place blame on what happened here. The anxiety, the fear that is present in our communities just gets compounded when we jump to conclusions.
Paramedics say when they arrived, the man was in cardiac respiratory arrest, which could be caused by any number of things, including a heart attack or complications from COVID-19. We did receive a statement from Intermountain, which says in part, quote, caregivers acted quickly and followed correct procedures. The testing center was fully staffed and there were lower testing volumes. They also recommended anyone in serious need to call 911. Reporting in North Ogden, Adam Herbetz, Fox 13 News, Utah.